Hello everyone, this is Russell Carlin, and this is my week 2 review video. For this week, I just did a theme park sort of app, and it's not anything special. I didn't really do any extra, but just to go over, you can see the icon here, and it doesn't really show the launch or whatever. But on here, I have one details, which opens up a new view on the stack. It just gives you details about the roller coaster. And here on the food have the table view, and all of these have details when you click them. And then the last one, I just did an info page for my name and the course and everything. So pretty simple. Like I said, no extras in here, which that was one thing I wanted to do better, was add a lot more things to it, because it is this kind of blob. I just didn't really have the time this week to do it. So that's one thing I really wanted to do extra. For the code here, this on the first view controller is just a click, which is just for this button here. And when you click it, it adds the other view, the coaster view down here. It adds that to the, see it there. It adds that on top of the stack, on top of the first view controller, like that. And then you have the back button here to go back to the attractions page. So that's all pretty simple. And here on the second one, the second view controller is just more basically from last week, where you have the table and it has the counts, the number of rows set to the count of the array. So the more items you put in there, the more rows it'll have. And then here just makes I just use the default cells instead of making my own custom ones. And this just sets each cell to that default, and then adds the title set to the name up here. And then the next part is just for the details. It sets the details text and the name each time you click it, and then it also animates it so that it gets that effect right there. And then the last one is just on click for the button in here. When you click that, it sets the view back off of the screen. So like I said, just basically from last week. And on the third, there's really nothing going on there. It's just the info thing here. And like I said, it was just a quick element to put in there, nothing big. So that should be all for this week, and thank you for watching, and see you next week.